Can we understand feasibility with the help of science? What is feasibility? Let's take an example of this. How do you derive this from this? We have two methods to dig crude oil. One is this, and the other is this. So, two methods being used to dig out crude oil. So, how is crude oil taken out and how is it turned into petrol? Yes, the gas that is used in vehicles. How do you derive it? So, two things you saw, two big giant used to dig out crude oil. Now, this crude oil is put in a chamber where it is heated to 300 degrees Celsius to get different products. So in science, we call it as byproduct. Yes, so while burning crude oil, we get gases which is taken externally out, and the leftover heavy oils which are this and this. You can see in the image that represents each and every step and whatever is getting derived, that is byproducts. On the other hand, we have one more process. Now in this, crude oil is not used. On the other hand, hydrocarbon in a form of powdered coal is hydrogenated. That means powdered coal is passed through hydrogen gas to get synthetic fuel. But here is the twist. You have very minimal byproduct in this. So, what do you think? What is the best process that is used? Remember, 1 barrel of petrol, that is almost around 45 gallons, is $64 in the market. Now, is it feasible to dig crude oil, or is it feasible to see the feasibility from which you get petrol? Yes, that's true. Not from the Fischer-Tropsch process, which only gives you very less amount of byproducts, whereas when you dig crude oil and from crude oil you get a lot of byproducts. So here is when scientists see feasibility. If they are inventing something, first they see is it feasible for human beings? Now this is science. Kurup sir, thank you.